Hi everyone, what is the tip today? Here you go. Important of offset path பார்க்கலாம். We have separate text here. Select all those things, then create outline. Then I select the first text, go to object, path and offset path. Here I give it value 0.5 mm. Give it OK, then do the same process for another text. Then right click, ungroup the offset. Then select offset path and type D. Then go to Pathfinder, minus it. Now ungroup the type D. Again do the same process for another text offset. So this is how we can use it perfectly offset path in Adobe Illustrator.